This video contains partial accommodation of bills exchange. It also contains 6 illustrations and solutions. It is in Chapter 3, named Bills of Exchange, of the textbook, Financial Accounting. This is more suitable for B.Com, B.B.A, M.Com and M.B.A of all universities of India and foreign countries. It is suggested to study through laptop. Presented by Dr.M.Wilson. Accommodation bills. Bills of exchange are drawn and accepted for a debt arising out of buying and selling. The bill can also be drawn in order to help a friend who is in need of money for a short period. This bill is called an accommodation bill. The person who is in need of money can draw a bill of this kind and get it discounted in a bank. On due date, the drawer of the bill sends money to the acceptor so that the acceptor can honor the bill. The person who is in need of money is the drawer, and the person who helps for getting money is called the acceptor. There are 2 types of accommodation bills. They are 1. Partial accommodation bills and 2. Mutual accommodation bills. 1. Partial accommodation. In partial accommodation, only one bill is drawn and discounted in a bank. The journal entries are as follows. 2. Mutual accommodation. In mutual accommodation, 2 bills are drawn for the same amount or different amount, to meet the financial need of 2 individuals. Both of them accept the bill drawn by other party and will discount them in a bank respectively. On due date, both of them will honor the bill accepted by them. If the bills are drawn for different amounts, the party who has drawn the bill for high amount should pay to the other party the difference in amount, on the due date of the bill. The journal entries are the same for both the parties. It can be written as follows. The journal entries are presented here. Illustration 1. Y on partial accommodation accepted a 4-month bill for 4,500 rupees drawn by X. The bill was discounted by X at 10% per annum. On the due date, Y received cash from X and honored the bill. The date of the bill is the 10th of January 2025. Past journal entries in the book of X and Y. Solution. The journal entries are presented here. The journal entries are presented here. Illustration 2. M accepted an accommodation bill for 3,000 rupees for a period of 3 months drawn by K on the 1st of February 2017. K discounted the bill at 10% P.A. On the due date, M honored the bill after receiving cash from K. Write journal entries and prepare necessary ledger accounts in the books of K and M. Solution. The journal entries are presented here. Ledger accounts are presented here. Ledger accounts are presented here. Illustration 3. On the 1st of March 2025, Y accepted an accommodation bill drawn by X for 12,000 rupees for a period of 3 months. X discounted the bill at the rate of 12%. On the due date, X could not send cash to Y to honor the bill. Y honored the accommodation bill on the due date. Hence, X accepted a new bill for the amount due, together with an interest at 10% P.A. for the extended period of the bill. The new bill is for a period of 2 months. X honored the new bill on the due date. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of X and Y. Solution. Journal entries are presented here. Journal entries are presented here. Illustration 4. On the 15th of January 2025, W draws an accommodation bill of exchange in the name of D for 10,000 rupees. Since D also needs cash, he accepted the bill on condition that he should be given 1/4 of the amount of the bill when the bill is discounted. W discounted the bill in a bank at the rate of 10% discount P.A. and gave 1/4 of the amount to D. On the due date, D honored the bill after receiving cash from W. The bill is for a period of 3 months. Past journal entries in the books of W and D. Solution. The journal entries are presented here. The journal entries are presented here. Illustration 5. On the 1st of March 2017, K draws an accommodation bill for 15,000 rupees in the name of G. Next day, K discounted the bill at the rate of 12% P.A. and gave 60,000 rupees of the amount of the bill after adjusting the discount to G. On the due date, the 4th of June 2017, K paid the balance amount to G, in order to honor the bill. G honored the bill on the due date. Prepare necessary ledger accounts in the books of K and G. Solution. The ledger accounts are presented here. Ledger accounts are presented here. Ledger account is presented here. Illustration 6x draws an accommodation bill on the 1st of February 2025 for 10,000 rupees in the name of Y. The bill is for a period of 3 months. Next day X discounted the bill at the rate of 10% P.A. and gave 50% of the amount of the bill to Y after adjusting the discount. On the 1st of May 2025, Y became insolvent and a final dividend of 40 paise of a rupee only can be recovered from his estate on the 21st of May 2017. On the due date, X paid the amount of the bill to Y so that he can honor the bill. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of X and Y. Solution. Journal entries are presented here. Journal entries are presented here.